The Zevision IMC300 is the latest deposition controller from INFICON for today's optical coders. Built to grow with your process, IMC300 delivers flexibility as your production demands evolve. You can easily upgrade your controller using one of two slide-in boards designed specifically for the IMC300. The I/O board provides 8 TTL outputs, 6 relays, and 1 input, while the 2-sensor 2-source board enables you to add more sources and sensors. The best part? Users can add the boards themselves to the IMC300 right on site with no additional tools needed. This means no downtime because there is no need to send the system out for service. In this video, you'll see how fast and easy it is to upgrade your system with our new slide-in option boards. Let's see how it's done. First, a safety notice. Before handling the circuit board, follow standard ESD safety precautions. Always wear a grounded wrist strap, work on a grounded mat, and handle the board only by its edges to avoid static damage. Next, be sure IMC300 is switched to the off position. Then, remove the rear power cord from the unit. These are the thumb screws that secure the faceplates to the system. They're easy to remove. Simply unscrew them with your fingers without needing any tools. Next, we'll carefully insert the chosen option board. Make sure it slides in on the rail, then gently push until it seats into the backplane board and retighten the thumb screws. That's it. Your newly upgraded IMC300 is ready for use, with minimal time lost and no additional cost. Remember, these option boards can be added at any time. No tools required, making it simple to scale your system, boost efficiency, and future-proof your investment. Contact your INFICON rep to order when you're ready.